Hi, back with another video on BKM Tech and Gadgets. So the next video is going to be a review on a smartwatch, which is this Amazfit Neo. So I'm going to do an unboxing and do a review on this smartwatch. Let's go. Hi, so welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin and this channel's all things tech and gadgets. So if you're new to my channel, could you like, subscribe and comment on my videos, and also this video as well that I'm doing. So that would be much appreciated. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Amazfit Neo smartwatch, which is a basic smartwatch. So I'm just going to do an unboxing and a review of this watch. So let's waste no more time and let's get into the review. So this is the Amazfit Neo smartwatch, which is a basic smartwatch with basic features for tracking fitness, but a good watch as well. So just going to unbox it and show you what's in the box. It's got features like heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, notifications and more. Okay, so what we're going to do, just going to open the box and show you what's in the box. So, just open the box now. So I'm just going to pull that open. So that's the watch, what it looks like on the box there. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to one side. So this is the box that it comes in. So before I show you the watch, I'll just show you here. So in here is the charger. Just get that out. So in the box is the charger. So just take that out there. Just put that there. So this is the charger. So it's just a basic USB charger. So that clips to the back of the phone and the connectors. So that's the charger in the box. So put that to one side. And then you've just got some information manual there with just how to set it up, just basic information. So just put that back. And then in the box is the watch. So that's what comes in the box. So let's put that to one side. So this is the Amazfit watch. So here it is here. So, you know, really good watch. So the watch is made of plastic, but has a nice retro feel to it as well. So as you can see, there's the heart rate monitor on the back there. So it's like a Casio or G-Shock watch. So like I said, on the back you've got the heart rate sensor, and you've also got the charging connectors there as well. And charging takes about 2.5 hours from empty. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it on. So you just press the back button there. So that's the watch on. So like I said, it's got some nice black LCD screen. So the watch does not have a touchscreen display. but has 4 buttons on the watch to navigate the menus. So you've got your up and down there, and then you've got your back and select button there. Okay. The bands are made of polyurethane, which is flexible plastic. So it's, you know, it's very flexible and stretchy plastic. So it's material, and it is comfortable to wear all day, and when sleeping, to track your sleep. So the watch case itself is also made of plastic, but looks good and stylish with the Casio look and display, as you can see. So as I'm moving it about, I've got it set to the backlight to come on when you lift your wrist. So that's why it's going on and off. The watch is easy to set up, and you need to go to your app store and download the Zepp app for Android or iOS, and it's very easy to bind to the watch. So the screen is always on screen, as you can see here, on here. So it's always on, and you can see the information is always available to you without any swipe gestures, like a touchscreen watch. So on the right hand side is the 2 navigation buttons to go through different options. So there it is there. These are the 2 up and down. So you go through different options there. And the other 2 on the left are used to select and back button. And the back button, if you hold that in for a few seconds, the backlight does come on, okay? But you can have it to, obviously, when you lift your wrist, to switch and come on. So the size of the watch is 40.3 times 41 times 11.1 millimeters and a 1.2 inch screen. So not really big watch like a G-Shock watch, and weighs only 32 grams, so it's very light in size. I still think it's a good size even if you have smaller wrists as well. It's also waterproof, so you can wear it in the rain as well, and can be worn in depths of up to 50 meters of water, but I would not really swim with it. So as you can see, with it on the wrist, it's not that big, and I haven't got big wrists either as well, so it looks quite stylish on the wrist. I do like it, it's very comfortable, and you can wear it in bed to track your sleep monitoring as well. The main screen is set up in 3 displays. So the top left shows the icon of the current active function. Then right next to it, it's the data for this function, which will show up, and below is the current time. So at the moment it's on the shoe icon for the steps on the day, as you can see. So if I press the up button, it takes you to the heart rate sensor. So it's just looking there to get my heart rate there. Obviously it's not on, obviously on my wrist. Then press it again. There's a battery icon, so it's at 75%. Then you've got miles as well, of where you walked, calories burned, got a do not disturb function there, stopwatch, and you can set an alarm as well, but that has to be done through the app. And then you've got your PAI there, and then you've got the world clock, and if you press it again, it just goes back to the steps. But I've set that up to go in that order of the functions, but you can change that in app to which order you want. I've just chose this order on the watch here. Okay, so like I said earlier, you can press the back button, hold it in, and that brings on the backlight on the screen if you're in a dark area. So the light will stay on as long as you're using the functions of the watch, then will switch off automatically if you don't press any buttons. You do get notifications, okay, on the watch, but they are basic, and when a message comes through it only shows a number, and when an incoming call it will show the number or the name if listed on your phone. You can't answer a call on a watch or reply to any messages. So I'm going to show you the app on the phone, as a lot of things have to be done on the app, like starting an activity. You can only use free activities with the Amazfit Neo, as the app is used as well with other Amazfit smartwatches that have higher specs than this one. So I'm just going to show you that now. So this is the app on the phone. Okay, this is the Zepp app that you download from the relevant app store. So this is it on the phone. This is the main screen. So what you do here, so you've got, push that up, so you've got your activities there. Okay, so you've got running, walking and cycling. So when you choose running, for example, it's just looking for GPS, so obviously I'm at home. So when you press start there, it will start, and then you just heard the beep on the watch. So it hasn't got built-in GPS, okay, like the other watches. It uses the phone GPS and necessary data, which is very accurate, I think, with me using it with my fitness that I do, and will save the data to your phone, which I will show you on a walk I did a while back. So that's it on the app on the phone, but as you've got it on your watch, you can see the data there on the watch as well. So you've got the running man there. Obviously I'm not running, but it's counting down. So you've got the basic information on there as well on the watch. Okay, so that's the app when you pick an activity for running. So let's just stop that.
Running paused.
So back to the main screen. Okay, so that's how you do your activities on the app. So on the main screen of the app is the information for your steps for today. So as you can see, I've done 3,618, okay. And then you've got calories burned as well there. So 86 calories burned, and then you've got sleep monitoring there, 6.2 hours, I should get more sleep. And then you've got your heart rate, you've got your sleep records there as well. So my score was 84. And you've got your PAI score as well, that wants to get to around 100. But what you can do, you can get more detail as well when you click on everything. So if I click onto the steps, it gives you more detail on the app as well, so you can get more information to see regarding your steps. So you can set it for the day, the week, the month, and you just get a lot of information on there. So let's just click back, then again on the heart rate, click on that. So it just gives you all information here regarding your heart rate. Click back, and then the sleep monitoring as well. So you can see I've had some deep sleep at the beginning. REM is the green, and then the light blue is light sleep as well. So the app does give you a lot of information. And with the sleep, you know, it just goes through, I've gone a bit quick there. So it gives you more information, tells you, look, fell asleep too late. So I need to go to sleep a lot more. So it gives you quite a lot of information when you do click on the relevant thing, and then you've got your PAI information. Like I said, that needs to get to about 100 really. So what I'll do as well, I'll show you the data from a walk. You go to exercise record. So this is a walk that I did a few weeks ago, so it gives you a lot of information. Click on that, tells you where you walked, so it brings up the map there, and then you can just get loads of detailed information on your walk. So if you're scrolling through, tells you a lot of information on there. You know, heart rate, laps, speed of your walking. Yeah, there's a lot of information there, your strides. Yeah, so that was a walk that I did a few weeks ago. So if you go here, go into settings, so it shows you the battery. So last charged 2 days ago at 75%. So you've got all your settings for incoming calls, watch, app alerts, and everything here. So you do all the settings in here. And then, like I said, incoming call, watch alarm, app alerts, it's all there for you. I do think the app is really good, the Zep app, because obviously, like I said, the watch is quite basic. So the watch battery has a 160 milliamp battery, which can last up to 28 days, which Amazfit say with normal use, but you would have to reduce some of the functions on the watch to get a realistic figure. I would normally, when I'm wearing this watch, get about 5 to 6 days with heart rate and sleep monitoring switched on and notifications on as well. Okay, so you know, I really do like this watch. It's a basic smartwatch for tracking your fitness, steps, sleep monitoring, etc. So, you know, I will leave the link as well below of where you can purchase this watch as well. But, you know, like I said, I do like the style of it. You know, you've got this nice little retro Casio look, always on screen, okay, as well. So to summarize this watch, it's a simple watch, but does what it's supposed to do. Does what it does, it reads data and track basic activity like steps, your sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and it does do a good job, and it does this in a good way. But if you like retro watches like this, it's a good watch to track your health in a simple way and has really good battery life. Like I said, if you did want those 28 days, you would really have to turn a lot of functions off. But I would say you'd get a week out of this watch. I hope you enjoyed the review of the Amazfit Neo smartwatch. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description where I purchased this watch. So if you could subscribe, like and comment on my videos, that would be much appreciated on my channel. So see you all on my next video on BKM Tech and Gadgets. Have a nice day and see you all soon.